How to fit doors and drawers. There are many types of doors and drawers you can use in your kitchen to make it feel unique and special. You'll find a full list of tools and materials you'll need at the end of this video. If you need guidance with fitting kitchen cabinets, base units and islands for instance, make sure you watch the other films in this series. To fit your doors, first screw the hinge plates into the sides of the cabinets. These are usually pre-drilled, and many hinge plates come with screws already inserted. Insert the hinge into the pre-drilled recess on the door itself. Fastenings facing outwards. Then secure with screws. Make sure you use the screws supplied for this so you don't damage the door front. Then, position the door in the cabinet, placing the hinge to the hinge plate, and use the screw in the hinge to attach. Then, tighten the screw to secure the doors. Repeat with the other hinges. There are a number of ways to align the door correctly. To move the door left or right, use the screw on the hinge. Loosening the screws that hold the hinge plate to the cabinet will allow you to move the door up and down. Retighten the screws once you have correctly adjusted. To move the door in or out, loosen the screw attaching the hinge to the hinge plate, move the door and retighten. Before you assemble the drawer cabinet, you will need to screw the drawer slides to the side panels. Position the slides using the pre-marked holes, making sure the runner wheel is facing the front of the cabinet. Then, screw the slides onto both side panels with the screws provided. Then assemble the cabinet. See our film How to Build a Kitchen Cabinet for more details. Now assemble the sides, back and bottom of the drawers following the instructions. Then hold the drawer front to the drawer and slot into position and tighten the fixing screws. Fitting new doors and drawers really is as simple as that. For more information, see our film How to Fit Handles to Doors and Drawers. Here is a list of the tools you'll need to fit doors and drawers. And here's the materials you will use.